Hi, welcome to Gcse Science Flashcard Videos, your channel for making your science flashcards for revision. Remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In today's video, we are going to be looking at acids. Now in Key Stage 3, you should have been told that an acid is any substance with a pH of below 7. But for your GCSEs, you should know that an acid is any substance which produces H plus ions when dissolved in water. There are two categories of acids. You have strong acids and weak acids. A strong acid is one which completely dissociates, that's just a fancy way of saying break up, to produce hydrogen ions in a solution. For example, hydrochloric acid is a strong acid, and when placed in water, it dissociates, it breaks up to form two ions, hydrogen, H plus, and chloride, Cl minus. A weak acid, as you've guessed, is one which doesn't completely breaks up in a solution. For example, ethanoic acid, aka vinegar, when added to water or in a solution, will split up to give you, or partially split up to give you, CH3COO minus, the ethanoate ion, and H plus. Now, for your GCSEs, there are three acids that you must know when you enter that exam. They are hydrochloric acid, formula HCl, sulfuric acid, formula H2SO4, and nitric acid, formula HNO3. You also need to know the names of the salts being made from these acids. So hydrochloric acid produces a salt called chloride. Sulfuric acid produces salts called sulfates. And nitric acid produces salts called nitrates. Finally, it is important for you to predict the salts being made from a reaction. For example, what's the name of the salt that would be made when potassium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid? It would be potassium chloride, and the other product would be water, as this is a neutralization reaction. So remember, the first name of the salt comes from the metal and the last name comes from the acid. Here's another one for you to try. What would be the name of the salt if sulfuric acid reacts with sodium? It would be sodium sulfate, and in this case it would be hydrogen, as you have an acid reacting with a metal. Let's try one more. What's the name of the salt that would be made when calcium carbonate reacts with nitric acid? It would be calcium nitrate, and the other products would be carbon dioxide and water. To summarize, ensure on your flashcards you have the formula for these three acids and know the salts being made. Now don't forget the slogan. It is not rocket science, it's only GCSE science. Get those flashcards up and running. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.